Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to do a poem, Summer Sun. It's on page number 45 in your Gulmohar book. Can you all please open to page number 45? Yes, thank you. So today we will be reading this poem once or twice, and then we will see the details about the poet and also the summary. Okay, I will be explaining this poem in detail and the new words, meaning and how to use them in a sentence in the next class. Okay, so this class is just to read this poem, okay, in a nice way. We have to pause and read it nicely. Poems are always supposed to be read very nicely, only then you can enjoy the poem. Okay, so let's start with the reading. Summer Sun by Robert Louis Stevenson. Great is the sun and wide he goes, through empty heaven with repose, and in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain he showers his rays. Though closer still the blinds we pull, to keep the shady parlor cool, yet he will find a chink or two, to slip his golden fingers through. The dusty attic spider-clad, he through the keyhole maketh glad, and through the broken edge of tiles, into the laddered hayloft smiles. Meantime his golden face around he bears to all the garden ground, and sheds a warmth and glittery look among the ivy's inmost nook. Above the hills, along the blue, round the bright air with footing true, to please the child, to paint the rose, the gardener of the world, he goes. Okay, children, can you practice reading this poem like how we did? Okay, pause, stop, and read it nicely. Okay, so who is the author of this poem, my children? The author is Robert Louis Stevenson. He was from a place called as Edinburgh in Scotland. Okay, so this Scotland is basically a cold place. They get very little summer there, okay, for a very few months, and summer is very important for them there. So that is why our poet Robert Louis Stevenson has enjoyed the summer sun so much that he wrote a poem about it. And he was so famous during his days that his photo or his picture was on the stamps and the currencies. Just to appreciate his work, his picture was on the stamps and currencies, because he has done so much of good work. He has written many poems, novels, essays, many. Okay, can we see how Robert Louis Stevenson looks? Okay, student, this is our poet Robert Louis Stevenson. He was from Scotland. He used to write novels, poems, essays, and he used to mostly travel and write whatever he used to see. Okay, that is why he's called as a travel writer. Got it? Good. And he was so famous that his picture was in the stamps and currencies during those days. Okay. So my dear kids, can you see the summary of this chapter? The summary of this poem. In this poem, the poet describes the sun's character. He first says how the sun is calm during the winters and how the sun gets bigger, brighter, and mischievous in the summer. Okay, so he compares how the sun is in the winter and how it is in the summer. Okay, the sun is seen across the sky every day. हमें रोज सन दिखाई देता है, बट विंटर्स में सन calm and composed होता है. वो थोड़ा सनलाइट हमें कम मिलता है विंटर्स में, राइट? बट समर्स में ऐसा नहीं है, एकदम ब्राइट और बिग दिखता है सन, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस इन दिस पोएम. During winters, it is calm and composed, In summer, it becomes bigger, brighter, and mischievous. Students, if you see in this poem, the poet has considered sun as a person, not as an object. Okay? उनको ऐसा लगता है कि sun एक person है, एक person, a live person. Okay, so that is why he is telling the sun is mischievous. Like a person जब naughty होता है ना, mischievous means naughty. So he calls the sun naughty. He also says that the sun puts his fingers through the window. Okay, tomorrow in the next class when we read this poem in detail and when I explain it to you, I'll tell you how he has made the sun as a person and not an object. Okay, it enters our house stealthily through the blinds and warms up the room. He's saying that the sun will enter the house. ये हमारे घर के अंदर चुप चुप के घुस जाता है and हमारे पूरे घर को warm बनाता है. Okay, it gives warmth. Okay, we feel nice, right? Sunlight हमेशा हमारा mood और happiness को बढ़ाता है, right? If we get a bit of sunlight, it feels so good, right? 5 मिनट अगर हम बाहर sun में जाके आते हैं तो हमें इतना अच्छा feel होता है, right? That is what the poet is trying to tell us in this poem, that it brings us happiness. It makes this world so much beautiful and better, right? Summer में हमारा world कितना bright दिखता है, isn't it? The sun spreads happiness and make this world a beautiful place. Okay, that is what our poet is trying to say in this poem. All positive things about the sun, and he's considering sun as a person, not an object. Okay, dear kids, we will be doing this poem in detail in the next class, but before that I want you to read this poem at least twice so that you will get a better idea and you will know how to read a poem. You can repeat this tutorial and again listen to the reading. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. See you soon.